The Lenovo ThinkSmart Bar 180 is a premium conference bar certified for small to mid-size Microsoft Teams rooms and Zoom rooms. Inside the box, you will find your ThinkSmart Bar 180, a power adapter, privacy cover, wall mount bracket, and USB-C cable. You will need to provide 4 screws, a drill, and a 4mm hex key as part of the wall mounting process. First, decide where you want to put the ThinkSmart Bar 180 in the conference room. It's usually best to mount above or below the conference room TV, making sure the camera lens is as close to eye level as possible. Measure 8 cm above the screen using the positioning guide for wall mount placement, and then mark the position of the screws with a pin. Secure the wall mount to the wall using a drill. Route the USB-C and power cable through the wall mount and to the right. Next, tilt the hinge of the ThinkSmart Bar 180 for easy access to the screw holes. Connect the cables to the ThinkSmart Bar 180 before mounting the device. Mount and screw the ThinkSmart Bar 180 to the wall mount using the included screws and a 4mm hex key. Rotate the ThinkSmart Bar 180 into its final position and angle the camera to point at eye level. Connect the USB-C cable to your conference room device like the ThinkSmart Core or ThinkSmart Tiny. Once you have completed these steps, your ThinkSmart Bar 180 will be set up and ready to use. If you want to configure advanced settings and features, you can use the ThinkSmart Cam control app on your PC. To learn more about ThinkSmart devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to smartsupport.lenovo.com.